Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new exchange name as MEXC. I already shared the detail before too. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing in it and or doing trade on it. All the risk is belonging to you. This video is just for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. So without wasting your time, I will start review MEXC. It is your easiest way to the crypto. Crypto is complicated. Keep it easy with MEXC. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So today I will share with you about the MEXC. They empower users with a secure and a simple platform, providing most trending tokens, extremely low fees, and comprehensive liquidity. Their mission is to be your easiest way to the crypto success. So you can see here they have all the options which is given here. So first of all, you have to create your account here. For creating that, you have to give your sign up email and password. You have to sign up and claim $10 here. So I already sign up here. I will just go and log in on this platform and share with you the other details. Login on it as I have. So here the Flip Fest is given. I will open that link in a new web. So you can see, for that you can see they have FEXC Flip Fest, where you can get a large amount of 5000k USDT. Event period is given here. You can share that event, you can add it into your calendar. You can share that event by selecting on it. You can see they have given here Flip Fest event period is given here. They have 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum and MEXC. You can see that here. I will give that link in my video description. Do your own research and go on it. You can even add it to your calendar on your Apple, Google, Outlook, or you can see Office. You can earn cards, you can upgrade hand and share your rewards. You can check their details from here too. So you have to just click on the check details. You can see they have earn cards. Upon registration, you will receive one pocket card each day. Complete the daily task to flip a second card and qualify for that prize pool. You can combine with the current community cards. The system will automatically calculate your best 5 cards on hand. You can upgrade the cards by different hand types, yield different points. The higher your hand rank, the higher your points. So you can see that share with the participants in different trading volume tiers will qualify for different prize pools. Trade more to enter higher pools. At the end of each day, rewards are distributed on the prize pool base. So you can go and do that. So it's up to you. For that, you can register. I will share with you that how you can register. But before that, I want to share with you that how you can go for it. You can see all community card for this round has been revealed today. Event is given here where they have 12 minutes are left. So as you can see, the event will be start in that time. As I upload that video, at that time the event will be started. So must go in it and check it there, and so you can go for that. So if you are interested in it. So furthermore, you can see they have 4 MEXC given here, 11 that, and these cards are given here. So in that way, flip every day to win the grand 5 million prize pool. Trade to unlock cards, free cards every day. They have the game fund. You can join here by register your pocket cards. 2 pocket cards are flipped and a hand is formed. You will qualify for a share. So you can see you have to register your for that, trade your way to higher prize pool. So you can see that here. First of all, I will go and touch on the register so you can see that register here. So see, registration is completed and my card is 3. You can see flip one more pocket card to share a prize pool. You can check it out here. So in that way you can get your card. So my pocket card 1 is given here and other will be given. You can see use power card to swap pocket card. You can even swap that. The higher your hand rank, the bigger your share. You can see the prize pool which is given here. You can see crypto is complicated. Keep it easy with the MEXC. Their cards which is going on. They have given here smooth trading experience, low fees and deep liquidity. Aim to make it relatable and trustworthy. You can see they have given here. So you can see you can do deposit here. For the deposit, it is just that you can do P2P on-chain deposit real quick. It's so easy. I already shared the videos about the deposit. You can go and check on it. You can even see the trade video. This video is for educational purpose. Reach rank hand rank A plus higher, enjoy 50% point booster for the day. You can see it here. You can invite your friends to join. You will get the booster 10% on one refers, three refers you will get 20%, and more on that you can see at 10th refer you will get 50% plus. So and that way you can see the wild card here. You can see your current hand to be unlocked, so that you can, for that you have to deposit total at least 100 USDT round, and you can see the flip the second card and unlock your hand card. The point rules is given here. You can read that rules from here. You can see the hand type example is like S is given like these 70 point 50 point A plus. First of all they have given here E which have a 1 point which is given here, then D which have 2 points, 3 points at D plus, 5 at C, and 8 C plus. You can see the more the point the hand tap example is given here you can get for that. From here to I share with you about their details, that how you can start showing, how you can sign up. I also share with you about the Flip Fest MEXC that you can go for that, which is 5 million here, and once there you can see the details about it. This event is going on, so it will be ended on 8th November 2025, so must go and add it here. You can go check the uncards upgrade hand. You will get your potential from here too, but do your own research in that too. I already share with you that how it works, how you will get the rewards, and you can join it here. So I shared all the details. You can see the Flip Fest here. You can see the option. If you do not get any website, you just have to go on the mexe.com and you will get that event from that option too, which I already shared, which is the same one as you can see it here. So I shared the details in that video. So if you like it, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.